The Earth rotates on its axis from west to east. One complete rotation takes about 24 hours, forming a period that we call a day. This process creates the cycle of day and night and influences various climatic and geographic processes on the planet, such as wind formation and ocean currents. Together, these factors determine the diversity of climate zones and ecosystems on Earth. This is Mystify, and now let's find out what would happen if the Earth were to suddenly stop rotating. If the Earth's rotation were to stop, several catastrophic events would occur, capable of destroying not only humanity, but all life. Our planet rotates at a speed of 1,670 kilometers per h, and a sudden halt in rotation would lead to devastating consequences. Due to inertia of objects and the atmosphere, everything not anchored in bedrock would be swept from the surface, including people, animals, trees, and buildings. The instant halt in Earth's rotation means that bodies at the equator would continue moving eastward at 1,670 kilometers per h, while closer to the poles, the speed would decrease to 1,300 kilometers per h. People living closer to the poles might survive but would face powerful storms caused by the ocean's inertia. The cessation of Earth's rotation would generate high-speed winds, creating firestorms, where survival would become nearly impossible due to friction-induced fires. Additionally, multiple volcanic eruptions would result from the deformation of the Earth's crust and the mixing of the liquid mantle and core, leading to catastrophic disruptions on the planet. The abrupt stop in Earth's rotation would cause powerful earthquakes with multi-kilometer rifts and volcanic eruptions even in regions previously inactive. These catastrophes combined pose a high level of threat to humanity. As for a gradual slowdown in Earth's rotation, do you think it's possible to avoid a mega catastrophe? Yes. A gradual slowdown in Earth's rotation over several months would allow avoiding catastrophic consequences. However, a new day length of 365 days would lead to extreme climate changes. 6 months of continuous sunlight and unbearable heat would alternate with nearly half a year of darkness. The 6-month cold night following the slow stop of Earth's rotation would lead to the extinction of many animal and plant species unable to adapt to the new conditions. The distribution of land and ocean would change due to the lack of centrifugal force, resulting in the formation of one large continent along the equator and 2 giant oceans. This would lead to the submersion of many modern countries, including European, North American, and Argentine territories. But that's not all. Due to Earth's rotation stopping, the creation of the protective magnetic field caused by the rotation of the iron core would cease. This field shields us from solar radiation. Losing this protection would expose living organisms to lethal solar radiation, leading to the emergence of deadly diseases. In 140 million years, Earth's days would extend to 25 hours. However, before Earth completely stops, a considerable amount of time will pass, and there's a likelihood it will be engulfed by an expanding sun, which in about 5 billion years will turn into a red giant. Therefore, Earth's fate is tied to the future of our star, not just its rotation.